If your videos aren't getting the response you'd hope for, it might not be your ideas. It might be the way your content looks. Because people within seconds decide whether you're trustworthy, experienced, professional, worth listening to. And the frustrating part, a lot of great creators are incredibly talented, but their video quality accidentally communicates the opposite. So in this video, I'm gonna break down the 5 things that instantly make your videos look amateur, and more importantly, how to fix them without needing a big budget or a fancy studio. So the first thing I want to talk about is a distracting background. It doesn't mean that you need a perfect, clean white backdrop. It just means it should feel intentional. No random clutter, open cabinets, definitely not laundry piles, no visual chaos, and nothing sticking out of your head. When viewers see visual clutter, their brain has to work harder to focus on you and what you're saying. I think all of that seems not professional. And if you're trying to teach something online, you want to match that. But again, you don't need a perfect studio. Just simplify the frame, create depth, maybe move a lamp. You want to add separation from the wall and remove distractions. Honestly, a clean corner with good lighting beats an expensive camera in a messy room. The second thing making your videos look amateur is bad lighting. We've all seen videos with bad lighting, and they just don't look good. Look at this shot right here. I'm having this weird bounce from the sunlight reflecting off the tile, and then here's this shot where I added some more fluorescent lights. It just does not look good. You don't need expensive lights, you just need one soft light. And if you don't have the budget for it, just use a window. Here's a shot of me in front of a window. See how this changes the video dramatically? Okay, the next one, you've heard it before, is bad audio. People will watch a decent video with good audio, but they will click away fast from bad sound. Because weak audio means your brain has to work harder to listen and focus. So remove the echo, the distance, any room noise. It just makes it feel lower quality. And if your audience has to work harder, they usually won't. So you don't need a crazy setup, just a simple microphone that's positioned close to your mouth. And note, don't wear jewelry or else, you could try, but necklaces can rub and make bad muffly sounds. The fourth thing that make your videos look amateur is unflattering or awkward camera angles. Listen, there's no shame in using your laptop or your phone. That's not the issue. The issue is the framing. You are not framing your face close up like this, where it feels like we're having a conversation. You don't want the camera pointing up your nose. You don't want to see a weird amount of ceiling. Your camera should generally sit at about eye level, close enough to feel like we're having a cup of coffee. It's not cinematic. Our goal is intentional, trustworthy, and clear. The fifth thing making your videos look too amateur might surprise you. It's too much editing. Over-editing often comes from insecurity, and I have been guilty of this in my early days. And there used to be a rule of thumb to add a sound effect or a zoom cut every 2 to 4 seconds. I would not recommend that. I think new creators often think more editing equals more professional, but usually clarity wins. Professional content feels confident. It doesn't need to scream for attention. If you fix these 5 things, your videos will feel more trustworthy, look a little more polished and professional, and actually be more aligned with your expertise. And the crazy part is that most of these fixes are free. And honestly, this is exactly why I'm creating something bigger around this. I see far too many entrepreneurs who are teaching something online, but their camera quality is not matching their expertise. So many are amazing at what they do, but their video content, again, is not matching their level of expertise. So if you want help creating professional looking content without complicated gear, tech overwhelm, or needing a huge studio, I'm building a program just for that. helping entrepreneurs make their videos match their expertise. If you want early access, bonuses, and launch pricing, you can join the waitlist below. All right, I'll catch you in the next one.